Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make tadig but sweet. So you're going to take your basmati rice, you're going to wash it very well until the water is clear, boil it on a high heat for 6 minutes until it's al dente, and then you're going to rinse it with cold water, and you're going to prepare your saffron with some sugar, water, and oil. Put it in the pot. Let it get nice and hot and start adding a thin layer of rice. You're going to let the rice sit and just simmer until it gets a little bit crispy. And then you're going to add the rest of your rice and pat it down very well. And of course, you have to make your little holes to let the steam escape. And then you're going to take a lid with a towel and you're going to cover it. And you're going to leave it on a medium heat. I think I left this one a little bit above medium, maybe like a medium high, so it came out a little bit crispier than usual, but it came out awesome. And I did put some more saffron oil and sugar midway, and this was after the flip. It came out super delicious. I know it looks very, very burnt, but it's not in reality. And it was just so crispy and so yummy with like this little kick of sweetness, but not too overpowering. And the rice was cooked to perfection. It was so delicious. It was literally not mushy at all. And of course, you can top it with anything you'd like, but this is ghormeh sabzi that I have prepared, and I will show you how I made this in my next video, so stay tuned. It was my first time and I'm super excited to share.